Every project begins with a vision, but how does that vision come to life? Through meticulous planning and management. One of the stars of project management is the Gantt chart. Today we'll delve into its intricacies and see how giants like Apple, Cartoon Network, and Adidas leverage it. First things first, what is a Gantt chart? In the heart of the bustling early 20th century, as skyscrapers began to define city skylines and industries boomed, a revolutionary tool was born. Enter the Gantt chart. But where did this powerful tool originate? Meet Henry L. Gantt, an American mechanical engineer and management consultant, the brain behind the chart. Gantt's vision? To create a visual aid helping managers understand if work was on schedule. Gantt charts had a significant role during World War I, aiding the U.S. in mobilizing and deploying resources more efficiently. Their influence unquestionable. From handwritten charts on paper to dynamic digital visualizations on software, the Gantt chart has seen immense evolution. It's fascinating to see how a tool born over a century ago remains indispensable in our tech-driven age. Picture the 1960s, the ambitious Apollo missions. Did you know NASA employed Gantt charts for project management, proving instrumental in humankind's monumental leap to the moon? Today, businesses worldwide, be it tech giants, film studios, or startups, all recognize the power of Gantt charts in navigating the intricate dance of project management. Now let's take a look at the parts of a Gantt chart and how we can create one. Envision a visual timeline, a grid, where every row represents a task, and columns mark time. It's an intuitive map of what needs to be done, when, and by whom. These horizontal bars, they represent each task's duration. The longer the bar, the longer the task. For instance, when Cartoon Network schedules an episode for a series, each episode gets its own bar, making its airing time. Notice that these connecting lines, they're dependencies. Some tasks can't start before others. Imagine Apple's iPhone production. Designing must be completed before manufacturing begins. And these diamond shapes? They're considered milestones, significant markers that signify a major achievement, like when Adidas unveils a new sneaker collection. Creating Gantt charts is simple. Start by listing tasks, estimate duration, identify dependencies, and set milestones. Tools like Microsoft Project or Trello can help digitize this process. In boardrooms worldwide, from Apple's Tech Lab to Cartoon Network's Creative Suites and Adidas's Design Hubs, the Gantt chart serves as a visual anchor. An essential part of the Gantt chart is the Critical Path Model, or CPM. By identifying the longest sequence of tasks, it helps teams pinpoint where delays could push the project off track. Underpinning all of this is the essence of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Think of the Adidas mission to make sports sustainable. Clear goals mean clear direction. Remember Apple's transition to the M1 chip, or Cartoon Network's pivot into digital streaming, or Adidas's foray into eco-friendly sportswear. All these transitions through varied depended on clear project planning, and you can bet a Gantt chart was in the mix. From ideation to completion, a Gantt chart helps visualize the journey. So whether you're launching a tech innovation, premiering a show, or dropping the next iconic sneaker, ensure your projects are Gantt ready.